All right, everybody, welcome back to Aloft already. So I got us over to the next batch of islands, and the first one up in order is a combat island. I did get my birds in a row, and they are setting down feathers for now. I might have to expand this so they got more room to spread out their collection. I just I don't know if they need the feathers down before they can lay the egg, or if they lay the egg and the feathers down at the same time. But either way, I hope I can get plenty more. I know I can get a lot more grain because I got a boatload of seeds at the moment. Because I can turn a lot of this wheat seed into it, a lot of this sugar beet seeds into it, probably the corn too, definitely the blueberries. And I know for 100% sure I can turn, well, probably the tree seeds too, but there it is. Emerald Isle seeds can be turned into it. So I can get a lot of grain seeds, which hopefully means a lot more bird feathers and a lot more, what you call it, eggs. Anyways, combat time. Oh, this is an awkward spot. Especially seeing as I forgot to eat. Let's see, combat. Let's eat that. That. I need my weapon. Alright. Getting stuck in spots that I didn't think of. Oh, hello. There we go. There we go. Alright. Let's go back up top. Oh, that's interesting. There's one. I know there's a second one up there. I'm definitely going to need the fibers. Ow. Okay, there's no others. And there's number 2. Since I'm thinking about it, let's get some bandages on there and use up all these bandages. Coffee. Oh, okay, there we go. I froze up a little bit. I know I probably don't technically need to use the bandages, but why not? Alright. That's a big old tree, though. I need a couple of the fabrics. Let's go over here. You remember to leave some of that in my inventory, but I keep quick dropping the darn things. Okay. There we go. What do I got left? Small critters, decomposed things. Oh, I don't have any of my seeds for mushrooms. I usually keep some of those on me too. But once again, quick deposit strikes again. Alright. It needs some flora, some trees. There we go, that should be more than enough. I don't have any tree seeds. I'm gonna need some small critters. Let's grab some lizards. Alright, that should be more than enough. There we go. Coffee seeds. Nope, no coffee seeds. Nope. You'd think I was a bird that was confused about windows with the amount of times I hit a wall. Alright. Come on. I got a new carpet. Ooh, fancy round walls. I hear it, I just don't see it. Ah, haha. There we go. We find value of harmony and unity in the smallest beings. Yes! That's what I wanted. Fantastic. Oh, yes. Hello, little guy. Yes, I know you can blow up. Is there anything else I can gather here? But oh, that makes me happy. I can get Hello, little lizard. Let's make a few beehives. Let's see. Well, I think I'm going to make it simple. Let's... It looks like the waxed rope. I think I'm going to make 3 beehives, which means I need 15 waxed ropes. I don't have enough. What is... Oh, I need to get... I think I need to destroy a beehive. I think that's... I know how to make an arrow now. I have a bow now. Okay. I need wax string though. And carved wood. So I need a hive. I think. I might need to look it up after, in between episodes, because I don't think I can make it. Whatever that other component is, I think it requires... It looks like a bee and honey, but I don't think I can craft with bees. I'm ecstatic that I got a bow now. There we go. I could probably put some of this away. Primarily the bug net and shears and torch. No, need the torch. There we go. Down to 1 slot that I can swap out. Okay. Okay, I can quick stop that. So, I need to find a hive. Really don't want to have to go out hunting for hive. My 2 bees don't seem to have done anything, I'm guessing. So that one's still... Yeah, they're not doing anything. So I have a feeling I'm going to have to go island to island and do something to a hive. Because I don't think this one's got a beehive on it. Yeah, I'm not seeing a beehive. Alright, everybody. I'm actually going to have to call it here. The only hive I know of is on the last set of islands. I might have to hop back there in between episodes. Anyways, I'm sorry, guys. I'm going to have to call it here. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and all that good stuff. And tell me what you think about the game so far down below. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!